Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you the very easy moss stitch. So you can use any size yarn and whatever the corresponding hook size is. Today I'm using a size 5 bulky yarn with a 6mm hook, but like I said, you can use any size that you'd like. The moss stitch is a nice textured stitch. It's very simple to do, and you can use it for anything. I mean, blankets, hats, shawls, whatever you'd like. So you're going to start with a slip knot, and then you're going to chain as many chains as you'd like, but it has to be an even number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll just do, or let's see, I'll do 14. So go ahead and chain up as many as you'd like. Just make sure it's an even number of chains. And then from there, we're going to single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Now you never count this chain that's on your, or the loop that's on your hook. So we're going to start right below that. And this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're going to single crochet into that 4th chain. Single crochet and then chain 1. And now we're going to skip the next chain. So skip this next one and single crochet into the following stitch or the following chain. Single crochet, chain 1. And that's what you're going to do all the way across. We'll skip 1, single crochet into the next, chain 1. Okay? Skip 1, single crochet into the next, and chain 1. So go ahead and do that all the way across. Skip, single crochet, chain 1, skip, and then in the very last one you're just going to do a single crochet, and we're going to chain up 2 and turn our work. Alright, now that's basically the whole pattern. So for the second row, you're going to skip that very first stitch right there because that was a single crochet from the round before. If you can see that, let me just grab a needle here. You should be able to start seeing these pretty easily, but in case you can't, here's the single crochet from the row before, and then here's the chain 1 space. We're going to do our single crochets into the chain 1 spaces now. So we'll do our single crochet here, chain 1, and then we're going to skip the single crochet from the row before and do a single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the next single crochet, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain up 1, skip 1, single crochet into the space, chain 1, skip 1. You do that all the way down your work, skip 1, and then in the very last space we do a single crochet and we chain up 2 and turn our work. And then that's it. That's the moss stitch. You can't really tell what it looks like quite yet, but you're going to be doing the exact same thing. You're going to skip the first, go into the chain 1 space and single crochet and chain 1, skip, single crochet, chain 1, and that's it. That's the whole moss stitch. So go ahead and finish your project or your swatch or whatever you're doing, and I hope that this was helpful. This is a really great stitch for all kinds of projects, and yeah, that's it. So if I helped you out, if you could like the video, if you'd like to subscribe, I have a lot of pattern videos and stitch tutorials and things like that, with a lot more to come as well. So I would appreciate any comments, subscriptions, or likes on the video. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.